Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear step bumper, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice activated navigation system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.